Okay, so let's have a look at adjustment 8 for the 2020 sole trader S Heighway. So it's telling us that provide for both investment income due and mortgage interest due. So we would have mortgage interest due adjustment done already as part of our suspense figure, but it's telling us here that 20% of the mortgage interest due is for private section of the building. So on the mortgage interest that we calculated as part of suspense, we'll have to get 20% of it, reduce that mortgage interest by the 20% and increase our drawings by that figure, and then calculate what is our investment income for this year and how much our investment income due is. So let's start with the investment income first of all. So let's find our investment income. So we 6% investment income on the 1st to the 7th. So we're not going to receive a full year of investment income. So we're going to take the 250,000 multiplied by 6%, multiplied by 6/12. That's going to give us the investment income for the year. Then, did we receive any investment income? We received investment income of 2,500. So we're going to take that away from the investment income for the year, and that will give us the investment income due. So with our working then, so our investment income is 2,500. We're going to multiply that by 6%, and we're going to multiply that by 6/12 because we only have it for 6 months of the year. So 6%, 250,000. So when we multiply that out, it's going to give us our yearly figure. So the yearly figure then is 7,500. That's going to add operating profit or operating income in our profit and loss account. So the yearly amount is 7,500, which we just calculated. We identified in the question that we were paid. Let's have a look. I think it was 2,500. So investment income received 2,500. So it's on the credit side. So it's an income. So we received that. So we've left to receive 5,000, and that's your investment income due. That's going to go into your balance sheet as a current asset. It also tells us in the question that 20% of our mortgage interest is for drawings. So we're going to go back to the working for suspense and adjust that figure. So if we go back up here to our mortgage interest, so we calculate our mortgage interest to be 22,800 for the year. We're going to have to do a little bit of an adjustment on that. So the amount is 22,800, 20% of that, so we'll multiply that by 20%. So multiply by 20%, so 4,560, that's going to go to your drawings. And if we take these away from each other, it's going to give us a figure to go into our takeaway from our operating profit, or operating income. And then we need to add this 4,560 onto our drawings. So the amount for our drawings is going to be taken from the trial balance, 50,000. Our interest is 4,560, I think. 4,560. So we're going to increase our drawings, and then that then is going to go into our balance sheet in your finance by section. So that's your adjustment for your investment income and for your mortgage interest. The 8 adjustment for the 2020 paper S Heighway.